In this video, we're going to look at collisionless tiles. Now, collisionless tiles are good for a couple of reasons. One is just to place background objects on your scene, so things that you just don't want to collide with, things that you don't want to interact with. The other way it could be good with is something like lava and water, where if you fall into the lava, you actually die eventually. Now what we do is we set up a collisionless tile, and then later on we set up a death collision. At the moment we have to do this using another scene, so we'll get into that later, but for now we're just going to create collisionless tiles so you can actually pass through the tiles without affecting anything. So let's go to our level 1 and let's add some more tiles, and this is fairly simple, but I just wanted to show you guys how this works. So you could use flowers and grass and boxes, but for this I'm just going to demo it with with lava and water. So we're going to come up to our tile map, and you can see we haven't got these in there yet, so I'm just going to create a new folder inside of the images. So we're going to say water and lava, so right click, new folder, and then water and lava, and then press OK. And then we're going to drag our files in. So we've got quite a few here, we've got 6, and once again I've just downloaded this from the deluxe pack inside the base folder. So I'm just going to click all of these and I'm going to drag them into my water and lava. Okay, so let me just do it one more time, that didn't take for some reason. One more time. There we go, that looked like it takes. Sorry about that, took a bit longer. So we've got these in here. So same again, we click on our tile map, we click on our tile set, and then we can add them. So if we just click one by one and just click them in and add them, and it takes a couple of seconds, but hopefully when we look in a moment they'll all be there, all 6 of them. So if you scroll to the bottom, they should all be there. So let's start with this top one. So we're going to go into a single tile and we're going to create a region. We make sure the snapping's on and then just create the region. Now, unlike the other ones, we do not need a collision for this, so we're just going to leave it a region and we're going to move on. Okay, so once again, single tile, region, and then create it. Next one. Okay, single tile, and then just drag over it, and last one. So it's nice and easy. For this one we're not creating a collision because we want to pass straight through it. Okay, so that was pretty much it, but let's just draw some on just so I can show you how this works. So we're finished here, we can come back over to our level and we can start drawing them on. So if we look, they're all there, they're all ready to go. So let's start with just drawing a bit of water in. So we can draw the top layer of water in nice and easy, and then we can draw the base water in. And this is really good if you want to create sort of an outer bounds area, you can kind of create that. So when we press play on our scene, let's move this up, and we walk into the water, the first bit of the water, it's going to go like that, but then obviously if you hit this bit here, it's going to pass all the way through the water. Now at this point here, obviously he's going to keep falling, but eventually once we create the player, we're going to create a collision layer here that basically kills the player if he goes into this.